the next video on the MG. Bonnet catches. The bonnet comes down but won't sit closed, it just keeps lifting up and down. So the issue is these bonnet catches there, you can see that it's not coming out. Look at that, that's just a circle. Now I've done this one, it should be like that. That should spring there, little half moon bit there. That should spring in and out like that. On this one it doesn't. So these two 8mm. So I'm just going to undo these couple of 8mm. Get them out. And put them on the holder. Get the last one out. Like that. And then you can pull it out there, and there it is. And it comes apart nice and easy. Turn it upside down, there's a clip there and a clip there, and the top just comes off in one hand like that. And then inside all you've got is a spring there, look, and that springs backwards and forwards, and that's your little half moon bit that grabs it. And all that's happening is we've got some rust accumulating around there and around the top, so we're going to clean that out with a rag. We're going to grease it up, I'm going to put it back together, clean the bottom of that, and then that should spring as it needs to. Grease around this bottom bit. It just sits like that in there. And I'll grease the bit that slides on. Just grease that bush there. And that just clips over like that. See the half moons there now. And then just screw them back in there. There we can see. Hi there.
3 weeks we've been going to Lidl.
There you go, you got some spring there. And I talk about milk from my mum. That should keep the bonnet down now, and the cat should work inside the car. The other thing that's struggling is this on the spring, so we're just going to give that a bit of lubrication, and hopefully that will start springing as well.